Hello everyone, my name is Dylan Kippen at North London Toyota. Today we're going to be doing a first-person overview of this stunning 2025 Toyota SR5 Tacoma. As you folks notice, you will have a digital gauge cluster with your speed and RPM, also your fuel settings on the right. As we take a look at this gorgeous steering wheel, you will notice a lot of buttons on this right side. This is everything for your adaptive cruise control. So lane tracing assist, you can also set the distance between you and the person in front of you. And on this left side here, a little bit more information and buttons as far as adjusting the volume, being able to talk to the vehicle, and features like that. This vehicle does come with a fully touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Super simple to connect your phone to, and very responsive as well. Speaking of responsive, when we take a look at all the climate control settings, everything is tactile. So all these buttons and knobs have a very responsive indicator as well. Again, super adaptive, everything is nice and quick. As we take a look down here, you will have some more settings as far as your four-wheel drive system. This vehicle does have a sophisticated transfer case as well, so more than capable for all your towing needs, off-roading, stuff like that. You have your 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low, with also a brake hold button, a tow haul, and some additional drive modes there. You'll see lots of space for the passenger as well. If we open up this glove box here, you will have your wheel lock and all your information as far as your owner's manual. As we open up this back seat here, you do have some storage under the seats. Pardon all the clutter over there, this vehicle did just arrive, so the summer and winter mats are on that side, as far as some more adjustments for the trailer hitch. As I hop in the back of this vehicle, I still have plenty of legroom and plenty of room above my head. For reference, I'm about 5'10", a bit of a stockier build, and I fit quite comfortably in this Tacoma. This seat is moved back to my preferred adjustments as well, so still get a lot of space in this vehicle. You will notice in the back as well, you do get some cup holders and a 120 volt outlet back there. As we take a look at the exterior of this vehicle as well, notice it is in a stunning white. You have some LED headlights, your big alloy wheels, and as we veer to the back of the vehicle, you'll notice a single exhaust tip. Popping this bed open, nice softened tailgate. You do get some anchor points down here as well as in the front of the vehicle. And full resin bed from factory. This is a 6-foot bed on this gas Tacoma model. It does have a 2.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, making right around 280 horsepower and right around 320 foot-pounds of torque. Pop the hood open now. Again, when we take a look at this engine here, it's a very capable engine, very suited for all your work needs as far as using this vehicle for construction, everyday driving, anything in between. Still got a lot of performance and some very good fuel economy out of this vehicle for being a truck. Again, everyone, thank you very much for joining me on this first-person overview of this 2025 Tacoma SR5. Again, my name is Dylan Kippen, product advisor here at North London Toyota. This vehicle is available for immediate delivery as well, so if you're interested, please stop by, go for a test drive it, see how you like the vehicle. You can contact us at 519-451-3880, and we'd love to have you in. Thank you so much for joining me.